Hello everyone, if you're trying to play 007 First Light and the game is not launching on your computer, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix 007 First Light not launching on your computer easily. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to make sure that your graphic card's drivers are fully up to date. So the way you can do that is you're going to open up your web browser. I'm going to show you AMD first and then I'll show you NVIDIA and Intel. Click onto resources and support. Drivers, then you're going to scroll down, click graphics, Radeon RX, select your graphic card series and then model, click submit, then click your operating system and download the latest AMD Adrenaline drivers on your computer. Now onto NVIDIA, go onto nvidia.com, click drivers here. You're going to fill in this manual driver search form, so select your graphic card series and then model along with the operating system, click find then, and now it will look for the correct GeForce Game Ready drivers for your computer. After it's done, download and install the drivers. Now onto Intel, click onto support, download center. You're going to click onto graphics here then. You're going to search for your graphics card here, Intel Arc B580 for example. After that, you're going to download the latest Intel Arc drivers on your computer. After you're done downloading and installing the drivers, you're going to restart your computer. Once you're done with the computer restart, you're going to open up your games platform, which is Steam for me. Right click on 007 First Light, click Properties, Install Files, and then click Verify and tag your game files here. After you do that, now you should be able to play 007 First Light and you will not that not launching problem anymore. So it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.